You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time here, check out the Chaddy TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. So people, in this video, I want to make it quick as possible. We have 3 topics to discuss. We have an update in the Natalie Dawkins case, and that's the teacher that was abducted, then later found dead. We have an update in her case. We finally found out who was the politician, the MP, caught on camera beating a female. Stick around for that story. People, I'm going to tell you who. I'm going to show him face. I'm going to know who is the culprit. Alright? Allegedly. And for the third topic, we are going to talk about how a father killed his son and the entire thing was captured on CCTV. So people, we are going to vibes to some tracks and then we go straight to the topic.
Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. Amen. Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. Amen.
It never easy, believe me, but success will do so sweet if it easy. And if you free me, no need it, cause success will do so sweet if it easy.
Broke, acres over markings. Link me wife when me want sex.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, me link Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Charges laid against 2 men in connection with murder of Natalie Dawkins. Criminal charges have been laid on 2 men in connection with the brutal murder of primary school teacher Natalie Dawkins. The men were taken into custody recently. Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime, DCP Fitz Bailey, gave an update to the media.
Out of the investigation, the police arrested and charged Eladio Goldburn, OC LJ and Shortman, 20 years old, laborer of Sandy Bay District, and Marlio Edley, OC Marlio, 19 years old, laborer of Palmer's Cross District, Clarendon. Both persons were jointly charged with murder, burglary, robbery with aggravation, abduction, illegal possession of firearm, illegal possession of ammunition, and unauthorized access to identity information. The investigation continues, and I must say that we have a very strong case against both accused who actually confessed to the killing of Miss Dawkins.
DCP Fitz Bailey also said that the men were found in possession of Miss Dawkins' ATM card and $60,000 was withdrawn from her account. Miss Dawkins was a 44-year-old teacher where her body was found in an advanced state of decomposition on the 8th of April in Sandy Bay, Clarendon. Miss Dawkins is believed to have been abducted by gunmen. Her handbag was found on the Spanish Town leg of Highway 2000. A man was also killed in a shootout with the police while he attempted to sell the teacher's car. The car was recovered by the police. A second man fled the scene but was eventually taken into custody when he turned up at a hospital seeking treatment for a gunshot wound. Miss Dawkins was a teacher at the Forepath Primary School in Clarendon.
Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. Amen. Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. Amen.
The name of the MP that was caught on camera beating a female has finally been released. He is George Wright, JLP Member of Parliament for Central Westmoreland. The police have confirmed that on the 12th of April, a woman did made a report stating that she was assaulted by George Wright. The MP then made a counter report against the woman. Since the police have confirmed that it was indeed the JLP's member of parliament, people have been calling for his immediate resignation, including PMP spokesperson on gender affairs, Senator Donna Scott Motley.
Now, my concern is that the allegation is against a member of parliament, someone who sits in the House, a leader in our country. And I think that he should step aside and that it should come from, not from the People's National Party, but from the Jamaica Labour Party. The women of the Jamaica Labour Party must now give life to the words which they uttered in Parliament. But I would say that, yes, the Prime Minister in particular has to come out and speak to the nation about it. And I put this in the context of the discourse which took place in Parliament recently. In other words, now is the time not just to talk, but to act, to demonstrate your sincerity on the matter. And if I am required to move a motion, I am fully prepared to do so. I was just very horrified when I saw the brutality which was meted out to that woman on the video. I couldn't watch it to the end because it was so hurtful.
So people, I don't have to beat around the bush anymore. We don't know who are the culprit already. And quite frankly, I am calling on George Wright to hand in his resignation. George, big man level, what we see on the video, you can't deal with a female like that. And I don't want to be represented by a woman beater. So Mr. Wright, just do the right thing and put in your resignation, alright? Just do the right thing.
Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. Amen. Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. Amen.
So people, this next story is very, very touching, alright? Apparently, a father shot his son and killed him. The deceased has been identified as Royal Knight, a past student of Jamaica College. Royal is also the business partner of his father at a Knight's Meat and Food Distribution on Gardentown Road in St. Andrew. The father is claiming self-defense after he reportedly shot and killed his son at the business establishment. Reports are that shortly after 10 on Monday morning, the senior and junior got into an altercation when the father shot him multiple times. It's unclear what caused the argument between the senior and the junior knights. It's understood that Royal died while undergoing treatment at the hospital. The father is now in custody. Now people, this is a very tragic incident. I don't know what could have really caused a father to shoot his son. Anyway, I am going to play a part of the clip caught on CCTV. People may now go play that video there when the brother up on the ground and them thing there. You know Chaddy TV do it already. We don't share those types of video. But I can share this CCTV footage because it's already all over the media and the major media house them post it. Alright, and it's not that graphic. As a matter of fact, we'll cut out the graphic part and post a link in the description where you can watch the full video because then again this is YouTube. Alright, so people, take a look.
Watch the thing while you take out so go on, brother. Man, come up, check the man, the man not take the talk, you know. But you man should have come on, dog. Man, come free. Shot this thing. Look at him, watch this, Ricky. Hey, man. Blood! Look at him, watch the thing, man. See, man, they're drowned there, brother. Look now? See, man, they're drowned there, because Mr. Leder kick him in the face now. Brother, yeah, tell me, say this, man, brother, man, you for the root, them man have a lap up, brother. Look at that man jumping in the van now, brother. And just drive on. Look at. If the man never move him, run over him. Man, I say, walk in the gate, I tell the record, walk in the gate, look at. Really, on the ground, you know, they have a big life, you know. The man tell the man to walk me gate, the man walk me gate. Jesus, watch it. That you tell the dog, when I push you out of the way, the money wants to go away. Go and bomb it. The money wants to go away because we are going to
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way, my God.